Hey guys, we're going to see top 5 life hacks. I'm sure it will be helpful. Hack number 1. After a job interview, if asked, "Do you have any questions?" always ask, "Yes, is there anything about my application that concerns you?" Hack number 2. Smiling for 60 seconds, even when you are in a bad mood, will immediately improve your mood. Using these muscles is enough to trigger the happy chemicals in your brain. Hack number 3. Wanna sleep better tonight? Put a tissue with few drops of lavender oil inside your pillowcase before bed and get ready to drift off peacefully. Hack number 4. When approaching a door, look for the hinges. If you see them, pull. If not, push. Hack number 5. Stop using google.com to search information for school essays. Use scholar.google.com instead. You will find more relevant information right away. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to watch relevant videos. Thank you for watching.